everyone, welcome to today's new video. I'm Sav Stripes and I will be showing you how to spot direct because I've noticed that a lot of you guys are having trouble with this. I had trouble with it at first too, like I only typed in used as screen center. I want you to make sure that you have this scene right here ready. Make sure you have the background of choice ready. Make sure you typed in your character script name, all capital, stand screen center, and you faces left, and then make the narrator say something so that you can pause your screen. After that, you click save and preview, and you don't need your phone for this anymore, but at first you had to like get your phone and open your episode story and do it on there, but that's all so much work now. As you can see right here, it says pause, and you can just change up a little bit. For example, at cut to zone 3. Let's do zone 3. And then you can click save and preview once again, which means basically I'm trying to show you, but my computer is being a little frizzy. As you can see, it's on zone 3 right now. Then you want to click directing helper, click bubble helper, and then just put the bubble somewhere. Just put it away. Then you want to click spot helper, and you can change your character, but I only have one character in this. You can switch tool to scale, and you can make her tinier by going up, as you can see right here. Then you can switch your tool to move, and you can move her back into the hallway, and you can just kind of do this until you're happy with your end result. Oh, I hate this. But I don't know why she's so tall. Just gonna have to. Then, oh my gosh. Wait. I've never typed that before in my life. Oh my gosh, it's being really weird, guys. I think I'm gonna have to grab my phone anyways. You just do what I did in preview. I'm opening the episode app right now. And it's loading. It's gonna load for a while longer. I really recommend, if you are making an episode story, to use episodelife.com. That site is made by Joseph C. Evans, and he is an amazing episode writer. He wrote The Phoenix Prophecy, The Ember Effect, The Secret of Rain, Glitch Girl, Say Goodbye, and he also has 2 books, The Zachary Sequence and another one, and he also has Facebook, which you can follow him on, and he posts things about his books on there, and it's really fun. Like I really recommend it. I already read his whole story, Glitch Girl, of all the 3 chapters that are available. Oh my gosh, my cat just grabbed an old piece of cheese and he's eating it. That's disgusting. Says, look.
Sashi!
Oh my gosh. But if you open up the episode app, just follow my instructions because I can't show you. Just go to create. Let's log in because I guess I'm logged out now. After you're logged in, you have to go to your story. My story is called Mean Girls, so I'm just looking that up in playable stories. Oh, I have two Mean Girls here. I'm going for the second Mean Girls. Oh my god, my cat ate all of the old piece of cheese.
What the hell?
You're disgusting.
Disgusting!
Oh my gosh, I was right. This is your only chance to do so. That's the sound that I added. That's that music back and forth. What's my name? Savannah. Yes, I did spell right. It's here in this tab, but I closed it up because it takes up too much space. I mean, look at this. It goes from 34 to 1123. I don't even know. Let's just say that this is perfect, or else it'll take too long. Yes, I look perfect. I'm pretty sure I look perfect. And then pause, and then click directing helper, click spot helper, and then, oh wait, actually click bubble helper first, so you can just put the pause button away. And then you want to click spot helper, and you want to move her first, then switch your tool to scale, and you can make her tinier if it wants to work on me. Oh my god, it's working, guys. Switch tool to move, and just move her to where you want her to be. I guess you can't do this on the computer, but then you can click stand screen center away and add the code that it says on your screen, which for me is U spot O dot 653, and just type the whole code with space bars and dots, and just do it all as it says, which I found really weird at first. You can put the pause away now, or not. Let's just leave it for a little while so that I can show you what I just did. And then you can Q is I don't know what she is. Kiss blow happy, and then at zoom on you to 400% in 3, 2, 2.5. Let's click save and preview so that I can finally show you guys what I just did, what I just coded. As you can see, chapter saved, and it's previewing from, I don't want that, I want it to preview from here. As you can see, I'm pretty sure this is not 2.5 seconds, guys. I think they meant like 2.5 minutes, didn't they? That took way too long. Let's just do one. Let's also add a pause here so that I can show you guys what I did. Oh no, I wanted to preview from there. There you go. I'm trying to show you, I really am, but it's just, I always struggle with this part a little bit. As you can see. Oh. Now let's save it. You can also find all these codes in the episode help center, which you can find on the episode site, or you can just Google it, and there are a lot of other tutorials if you don't get mine. As you can see, it says pause. I edited her here. She is smaller now, and she is standing there, which is amazing. And then she blows a kiss, and then it's zoom into her. And then it's just everyone being shocked, like, wow, she's in the hallway and she's wearing that dress and it's amazing. And what I'm trying to do now, I guess you've already got your answer on how to spot direct and zoom and stuff. Like, if you just click directing helper, look at what you've got. You've got device helper, zoom helper, spot helper, bubble helper, overlay helper, filters helper. You even got filters, people. Like, you can find everything there if you want to do something, just see if it's there. If not, Google it. Always Google it. Or go to my channel. I have a ton of these videos. And if you're tired of it, you can also watch my Sims 4 videos or my Roblox videos with my little sister. They're amazing. I really think you would like it. Anyways, what I want her to do now is, I have to see if I can find it here. Because these are all the animations that she can do, but I want to find a particular one. It's Brib! Yes! At U is Brib neutral.
Sis!
What?
There's a remix made of our favorite song when we were little.
Sis, I'm recording, you know that, right?
I know, we have to hear this.
Then let's click save and preview once more. Wait, I don't want it to preview from that line. I want it to preview from that line. Okay, guys.
Sis, you hearing this?
I am hearing this. Are you guys hearing this? I don't think you guys are hearing this.
Oh, I'm still listening.
Please preview from that line. I would really appreciate it. As you can see, pause, then she blows a kiss, and zooming in, pause, then she primps her hair, and then pause, and then we zoom in on the people standing on the side, but I still have to edit those in. It's gonna be amazing, no doubt. This scene is going to be amazing. I'm gonna add some music, which you guys can see as I did here. You just type in music if you want the music to go on and on like in a loop. Do this code if you want the music to go off, and type in sound if you want something to only go into your script for once, like not in a loop, if you know what I mean. Now I will be making another Roblox video with my sister, Oh, by the way, make sure you open 5 tabs at least. 1, so that you can also edit the title of your story and the description and stuff. 1, so that you can always make new characters like this one, if it wants to load. Yes, it does want to load. Like this one. You can click main character, then it will say you, save changes. I forgot to do that, by the way. Main character has been updated to you. Then you also have 1 tab to always edit the outfits, and you have 1 tab to edit your story into preview. This is the whole
Oh my god, sis.
thing. Sis, wait, I'm talking, okay? Oh my gosh. Sorry, guys.
It's actually kind of cute.
And 1 tab for the art catalog where you can choose your backgrounds. I really recommend doing this because I don't know, it's just it's everything. I haven't seen these 2 tabs.
I want to be the murderer one.
I want to see what this is. I'm gonna close them all off anyways. Oh my gosh, this is new, isn't it?
Shit.
Oh my goodness.
What the fuck? Okay, I'm sorry. Just got murdered again.
This is everything. This is everything. Guys, thank you episode. Oh my gosh. This is everything. Usually it would take so long to load only 1 animation. Now it loads 6 in 3 seconds. This is everything. So, by the way, make sure you have saved your story. If you're not saving it, then it will still save it, but privately. But make sure to always save it, because what if something goes wrong? Then you always have it also on other computers that you might have. Now, let's go settle on a name. I got that tip from Joseph Evans. Oh my gosh, what did I click? I guess it's time for me to go now. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this other video of me. How long? 18 minutes. It's fine, guys. And I will be uploading this to YouTube as soon as possible, which you would know because you're watching it right now. And bye-bye, guys. I love you guys so much. Bye-bye.